Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Gentle. Oh my god.
She knows straight away.
Championship season is
You want a treat, buddy? You want a treat? Got your ass.
Come here.
Woof!
Lord! Oh my.
Let's go get in the tub. Come on. Come on.
Give me a kiss. That was a fake kiss.
Hey, come on. You're really gonna swim in the rain?
Sit.
Where's Luna?
Where's Luna?
Luna!
Come back. Does that look like you?
Family
I love
It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't leave me in the house, right?
Hi, Ralphie.
Hey, Billy. How are you?
go, go.
Seth? Chicken?
Here goes chicken. Here goes pill.
Sonny, no, no. Sonny, no, 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 Sonny, no.
Oh, let me get that.
Mientas, el problema es que te...
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Oh!
I got
Hey, Mr. Horse, are you coming to get some?
Hi.
You've traumatized so many of us.
Stop barking at him. He is a veteran.
Nick, it's not that deep. Oh, is your world ending now? What? Almost?
No, you're not getting dinner. You was bad.
I got her!
Oh my God.
We brought the dogs with us.
Why did I bring her to work with me today?
Wow.
Over here. Come on. Come on. Ow! What are you doing?
Sit. Jeez.
Odie May. Hey! You've got to be fucking kidding me.
High five. Too slow. Tiny.
No, Ellie, you have to stop now. You're gonna learn.
Maybe say sit.
No, it's not. It's...
Later. It's too hot.
I want you to tell TikTok what you just did. I opened the door for a delivery person.
Oh. Molly, no! Molly, no! He's gonna drown himself.
Somebody once told me the word.
We ain't done yet. Come back. We ain't done yet. We ain't done with the shower yet.
Don't you step on the flowers.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Steffi, do you want to go for a walk?
It's just water.
Remy, you okay?
You good?
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money.
Y la cogí, no, oh.
He took your sucker? How do you know he took your sucker?
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. And right now, you can say...
They're her fries. Senna, do not steal. Oh, Senna! It's okay. You just knocked her down.
Hey, somebody did that
Attention!
You want to get it for the dog? Oh my god! I'll give you eat your food.
Ma'am, what are you doing?
This is what he does with his snack.
Another toy.
Hello, baby!
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Okay. Good boy.
Who did this? Who did this?
Down. Get down. Down. Sure, come back the way you came. Wow. Wow!
It's bedtime. Let's go.
What the absolute fuck are you doing? Are you fucking kidding me? What?
It's 7:30 in the morning. Your sisters are asleep. Shh.
Questi gatti. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo.
You look just like your mama.
What?
What did you do?
You're
I actually came up with this way, so.
Stealing my shit. See? Look.
Yeah.
He's wriggling. He's wriggling.
Obviously he's wriggling, he's alive.
Please, can you get him off? He's really not cute. He's really not cute.
Here you go, bud. Yep.
Here you go, buddy. Oh, got it? Oh, yeah.
What is in your mouth?
I said sit. Jamie, sit down at the wall.
Tommy, no!
That's her butt. Don't touch him.
You giving her a big hug?
You got a friend in me. You got.
Aww. So nice.
Courtney says you asked her for a three-way. I don't blame you. Come on.
Oi.
Ask him nicely.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
That is not for sitting. It's not a jacuzzi.
Hi, baby. Hey.
You want to go for a car ride?
Oh, no.
Beat his ass! Come on, get her!
It is your fault. No, it's your fault. You're feeding him too much.
Happened. Look at the. Oh, look at that.
Let him see if he can swim. Let him see if he can swim.
Oh my God.
Oh, ok.
Troppo alto, così che possiamo farci più margine, però a posto.
Brennan?
Come back.
Now you sound like your brother.
Nala! Nala! Seriously?
It's just water.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Can you wag your tail?
Hey, Nala, you trying not to make eye contact?
Give me that now!
Not gaming friends.
Mm-mm.
Bro, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Smile!
Do you want to go for a walk?
Where's it gone? Smile, Bill. Smile.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, there's no top.
What? Sandy! Excuse me. Don't you dare.
Who did this? Blue, sit down. No, you are a bad boy. Blue, stop. No.
Tucker, place. We're gonna try it again. Okay, Peanut. Come here. No,
I'm still home.
What does the cow say? Good boy. What does the cow say?
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what?
Away from you, so
Shh.
Come on. Nala. Nala. I'm sorry. No, 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 no.
Do you mind? Ew!
No. Oh, no. I think he loves me.
Yeah, I got you.
You like the... Oh!
Give me paw. I'm trying to do that challenge. Come on, give me paw.
How I get my dog to take her medicine.
Whoops. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hey.
Attacked by these fucking dogs.
Hey.
Go! Oh.
Are your armpits so ticklish? Are your armpits so ticklish?
Lippy, stay. Stay!
Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go.
You don't jump on my couch.
Hey! Oh, you scared me! Jesus!
Thank you.
Who the fuck is in bed with you? I see the cup.
No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no.
Look at you smile, Paul. There's your smile. Oh, you're so handsome.
Get up there.
Get up there!
Louis! Oh my God.
Let's get out.
Are you wearing the same shirt as me? Oh, morning, Prue. Hi, guys. You're both wearing...
allowed on the bed, you... No! You...
You gonna smile again to me? Smile. Okay.
Not allowed on the bed, you... No! You...
You are adopted.
Girl. What's wrong? What happened?
Ready, boy?
Bitch. Bitch. Bitch ass dog.
Oh, no.
Stay! He's so creepy! Get away from me! Get away from me!
Get in the box. Yep.
Oh no. Oh no. Skinny jeans. Hey, skinny jeans. What are you looking at?
Came back from playing baseball. Nick Anderson stole his rock.
That's ridiculous.
Beat his ass. Come on, get her.
It is your fault. No, it's your fault. You're feeding him too much.
Go get it. Oh.
Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's get on up. Let's get on up.
ちょっと震えすぎてて心臓の音が聞こえないんですけど。
Seriously? One.
Whoa.
What's this? What is that? Hurry, in here, drop it in here. There you go.
Hey Bruno, you don't see the problem with that?
Preston, what are you working on? You look a little suspicious. Oh, Preston.
What happened? Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Come here. What?
No! Yeah. Oh my god. I got it.
You ate it?
What the hell?
Let me see your smile.
Hi, puppies. Hi.
Pray.
Volume of tests.
My hands, I'm on my shirt.
Jack, try to walk. Come on, let's go.
Pass. Hello. Hello. Oh my god, okay.
Sit. Gentle. Oh my god.
No.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
Ready? Sneeze. Bigger.
You got a friend.
Why there's dogs like not wanting to go downstairs. Oh.
Where's Lucy?
Benji. Benji. Hey.
Come on.
Oh shit!
I love you. I love you.
Whisper.
My new best friend. Oh, hello. Hello. Is he? Just bite it. Gentle.
Ambi does not like the cows.
Oh, okay.
Oh no!
You want chicken dinner?
What?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner?
Oh my god.
Who's biting this? Who's being a bad boy?
Wakey, 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 wakey. It's time for school. Come on. Yo,